everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are already subscribed to me, then thank you so much for subscribing and welcome back. If you're not, then hi, this is Tasneem Rooney from iCute and thank you so much for joining into this video. So if you're from TikTok, you already know what's going on. If you're not, then here's the backstory. So basically I did my makeup, I really liked it, I did some videos, I asked my fam on TikTok if they would like a tutorial on this and I got a very good response from there, and as promised, here I am with the tutorial for you guys. Anyways, I really like the outcome, I really like the color combination of this one. Anyways, if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching.
싫어 불러봐도 넌 아직 즐거워. 이젠 남은 설탕도 없는데 이제 와서 널 남겨두고 떠나갈 순 없어. 떠나갈 밤이라면 먼저 보내주자. 어차피 떠날 밤이라면 넌 너무 내 마음에 넌 너무 벌써 식으면 안 돼. 제발 가지마. 떠나지마. 너무 추워. 머물러줘. 따뜻하게 뜨겁지 않게 달달하진 않아도 꿋꿋하게 위태롭게 내 곁에 머물러줘. 지나가는 바람에겐 안녕. 넌 너무 내 마음에 just enough to show you all my mind. And now is enough to make us what we are. And just enough to show you all my mind. And now is enough to make us what we are. And just enough to show you all my mind. And now is enough to make us what we are. 싫어 불러봐도 넌 아직 즐거워. 이젠 남은 설탕도 없는데 이제 와서 널 남겨두고 떠나갈 순 없어. 떠나갈 밤이라면 먼저 보내주자. 어차피 떠날 밤이라면 넌 너무 서